It's kind of one place for all your health and care, and that's what Transcarent's about.
Glen, welcome to Floor Talk. It's great to have you on the show.
It's great to be here this morning.
Thank you. So Glen, I want to start off by talking about the company. Tell me about Transcarent and how it's reshaping the health and care experience.
The idea behind Transcarent is one that should resonate with everyone, and that is one place for all of your health and care. Our mission is to make it easier for people to access high quality, affordable health and care. It's kind of the dream of everyone. And if you think about very specifically what we do, we give people access to care in 60 seconds, chatting with a physician. We make it easier for them to pick up their medications and get them at a lower cost. If they need surgery, we direct them to high quality places. And then in the unfortunate cases where they may have cancer, we're with them the entire journey from prevention through survivorship. So it's kind of one place for all your health and care, and that's what Transcarent's about.
So Glen, tell me, how is AI transforming the health consumer experience and what makes your approach unique?
What we're doing is using technology to put people back in charge of their care and to change the consumer experience. And in particular with AI, generative AI has given us the ability to actually personalize experiences for people. So if you ask a question, and it could be anything from, benefits navigation, which is this covered? And when people ask, is this covered? They don't really want to know my company covers 80%, I cover 20. They want to know what's it going to cost me? And we give them that personalized answer. Or they might say, I need an endocrinologist in San Jose who's a woman that speaks Spanish. And instantly, faster than you could dial a phone number, with the benefit of AI and a lot of other things, we actually can provide that information. But I want to make one thing clear. This is AI putting people in charge of their care and giving them more access to real physicians, real clinicians, real behavioral health therapists. And so it's not replacing anybody. It's actually making those people much more effective and efficient.
Now, you launched two major care experiences in 2024, Weight Health and Wayfinding, closed a $126 million Series D, and kicked off 2025 with over 1 million additional members gaining access through some of the biggest Fortune 500 employers. So tell me, what are self-insured employers looking for in a partner today, and how are you delivering on those needs?
We all know our healthcare system today is broken. If you survey people, what they say is three things. Healthcare is more confusing, more complex, and more costly than ever before, and it's getting worse, not better. And that's Republicans and Democrats, men and women, young people and old people, all ethnicities. So we know the system is broken. What self-insured employers want and what large health plans that we work with and government entities that we work with, they all want one thing. They want people to be back in charge of their care, higher quality care, and improve the experience, and do it at about half the cost. It's a big undertaking, but using technology, we can do what we've done in every other industry, and that is we can reduce the cost and improve the quality at the same time. And that's what self-insured employers are saying. The current costs and the current increases in healthcare are unsustainable. And so we need to bring to bear new solutions, whether it's directly with employers, whether it's partnering with some of the leading and most innovative health plans in the world. We're doing both to allow us to deliver better care to people. And that's what it's all about at the end of the day.
Finally, Glen, in January, you announced plans for your intent to acquire Accolade. So tell me, what drove this decision and how does it accelerate your vision as the one place for health and care?
I think of it as a perfect merger between two parties that each bring a great client base, that each bring interesting technology to the table. And ultimately, what you do is anytime you're doing one of these mergers, you ask your clients, what do they think? And they love this idea because they say now, one place for us to go to get all the services we need to provide to our members and their families. And so the Accolade merger we're very much looking forward to it. We hope to close it in the second quarter, and couldn't be more excited about bringing people, technology, a great client base, and new products to all of our client base. And that's a big client base. We'll be serving collectively more than 20 million people, more than 1,700 clients. And again, the company, will be well in excess of $500 million in revenue in 2025. So really exciting time for the company.
Sounds like an exciting time ahead. So it's been wonderful to talk with you, Glenn. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you very much.